Honda Grom. The Grom has been Honda's top-selling street bike in the US since it was introduced. The Grom has been popular since its 2014 introduction, thanks to its easy handling, low price tag, and cool design. Now Honda has updated the 2023 Grom, focusing on engine power, fuel efficiency, home maintenance, and ease of customization. The new 2023 Grom MSRP is $3,499 for the standard and $3,799 for the ABS version. The Honda Grom is a vehicle for self-expression in so many different ways, featuring 124cc electric start engine, fuel injection, and a 10-to-1 compression ratio contribute to the awesome fuel efficiency, a crazy good 166 miles per gallon. A larger 1.6-gallon tank will help the fuel sipper go even farther between fill-ups. The Grom's gearbox now has 5 speeds and wider gear ratios, which, along with a larger 38-tooth rear sprocket, help the bike cruise more easily at speed. Nonetheless, due to its top speed of about 60 miles per hour, the Grom is too small to take on the freeway. At just 30 inches, the Grom makes it easy to flat-foot it in parking lots or at stoplights. Plus, the seat features thick padding so it's comfortable, especially for taller riders. The instrument display features speedometer, odometer, tachometer, gear position indicator, A and B trip meters, fuel gauge, clock, and indicator for low-high beam. The Grom's LED projector-style headlight not only looks great, but it also provides excellent illumination. The Grom features 220mm front and 190mm rear single-disc brakes for excellent stopping power. Another cool feature is the plug-and-play body panels are easy to remove if you want to add some custom graphics of your own. It's like a blank canvas that you can ride.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.